Alright guys, you remember that elevator we rode last time? That's right, it's now a Fuji, so this is going to be a final ride on the Otis Gen2 elevator of 2017 because soon this is about to get replaced with that one. So yeah, we're gonna take this thing for just the final ride. So this is at Park Point in Cumbres and in Monterrey, Mexico. So yeah, these are the parking elevators, to be honest. And let's take a look. Let's take a look at this. This is it's a Fuji SJ. So yeah, we're waiting for this one to come. Today is a busy day, and so yeah, this is gonna be the final ride because this one will soon be replaced with the Fuji SJ. So yeah, let's give this thing a final ride. All right, we got the same cab. -3. It's still vandalized though. You're at -3. You're up arrow. Up to PV. Your nice elevator with your buttons in the indicator. Somebody's getting on. So down here's the parking garage still. Well, these doors close. The doors close, slamming. So look at the mirror. Hey, here are your buttons, and there's the indicator. You're here at PV. So just doing one ride on this thing because this thing is insanely busy. So let's just go for another ride, shall we? Baja.
Pues no, pero...
Es que ando subiendo y bajando, si preguntas.
Okay.
Es que ando revisando elevadores, por eso.
¿Qué me paseo contigo?
Parece que ya la van a remodernizar con la otra.
¿Sí?
Sí, yo digo. Alguien le picó y creo que se fueron. I don't want to get this man on picture. Alright. Alright, well, there you all have it, folks. So yeah, there's the Otis Gen2 and the Fuji SJ. So yep. There it goes. And there goes that one also. But that's it.